Add 79 and 58 hundredths plus 23 and 6 hundredths. All right, whenever you add two decimals, it's very, very, very much the same as when you add whole numbers. You just have to remember a couple extra things. First things first, the decimals have to be lined up, and they already are. Then you just bring that decimal along for the ride. Other than that, you're pretty much good to go. So we add these guys normally. 8 plus 6 is 14. Write out your 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 0 is still 6. Write out your 6. Bring down your decimal. 9 plus 3 is 12. Write out your 2. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So write that out, and you end up with 102 and 64 hundredths. And that's your answer.